Everyone, welcome back to another tutorial on this channel. This time we talk about how you can double screen on your Android device, right? So doubling the screen might mean a few different things, but for me, it's essentially getting double the information from my current screen. So if I open up an app like this and then go to the All Apps view, I can simply locate any of the apps, for example, the clock, and place it somewhere to the side, to the middle, top, or bottom. And when I do, my screen gets split or doubled in the multitasking panel where I can play chess on one side and then I have the other app on the other side. As you can see, I can even resize it, which is very useful because sometimes you might want to have the screen smaller for some apps and the other way around as well. Keep in mind that each app has a couple of buttons at the top, so you can make it a floating window, for example. You can drag it around, right? You can also resize it, make it larger, smaller, even control the opacity, which is a little like a hidden feature, but very useful. And also you can make it go back to the split screen, which was the original setup that we started with, right? So that's how it works. As I said, this works for essentially every app, no matter if you go with the calculator or essentially anything else. The third-party apps should work as well, and you should be able to grab any of them, right? In my case, it kind of works better because this is the Galaxy Fold, which is like a large screen, and it is more of a tablet than it is a phone, but in some Android devices, this should work as well. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to successfully do this and make it work. Subscribe for more guides and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the future.